Hi friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is bright and early on Saturday morning, and I thought I would do weekend updates today because no paper left behind is not much to show you yet, I'll be honest. So hopefully I'll have something exciting to show you for no paper left behind tomorrow, because today I have card bases and big dreams for some accessories. I mean, I have a lot of time put into it, it's just not exciting to look at. On my list for today, I have some dahlias to plant that my friend Katie was kind enough to put on my porch. And I assume dahlias grow everywhere. I mean, maybe not worldwide, but they grow very well here in the Northwest. And this gives you an idea of the variety. Pinks, oranges, reds. Ooh, look at that one. It's kind of purpley. So my friend Katie got me poo dahlias. And those of you who watch my channel know why. And I think that's super sweet. And the poo ones, I looked them up online before. They're really cute. And they're, I think, orange and yellow, red and yellow. You know, like poo colors would be. Let me see. Orange and yellow and 3.5 inches. So a whole bunch of blossoms that will be 3.5 inches wide. So I'm going to put those out, I think in the front yard where there's lots of sun. So you guys won't see them on a backyard tour. Dahlias are the kind of plant that Wilson is not going to go around. He's just going to go straight over them. So I thought they'd be better off in the front yard. Let's see. Movies. I haven't been watching any movies. It's been a super busy week for real life. So that kind of got in the way. And I did some binge watching on Cougar Town. I think, you know, I admit my embarrassing movies. I can tell you. Cougar Town. Yep. That's what I was binge watching. And I don't think I ever saw like the very first season, maybe because there was a lot of stuff I didn't remember. It is supposed to be 85 degrees here today. So I'm kind of excited for that. I set up the back deck. Maybe I'll put in a picture so you can see kind of how that turned out. Has that cute little brown table that I sprayed. And then the rug is out. It's ready for some lounging. Wilson and I will probably go there and cuddle and have coffee pretty soon. Some days it's 40 degrees when I get up, so I don't go out. But today it's over 50 already. It's really nice. This is all I have left of Smash That Small Paper Pad. So be sure you come see that video on the 25th. It's a cool set of cards, I think, because I made that collection of stuff out of my craft room. So it is, what's the word? Eclectic, which is funny because it's everyday eclectic. There isn't a lot of routine or pattern in those cards because I used a lot of one-off items from my craft room. So if you're getting a little bored in your crafting, or you feel like you have a formula, or you did 2 collections in a row and it kind of looks the same, which is how I was feeling, mix things up in your room and look around. I realized I haven't really been using my sewing machine, but I only sewed like 1 line on 1 card. So maybe I'll do more on No Paper Left Behind. That's what I'm hoping for. I did a funny thing. Pamela gave me the great idea of making Happy Mail kits so I could put the stuff together. Like I forget to send you guys my stickers when I send you a card or whatever, because I have Crafting and Relaxing stickers. I thought her idea was awesome. And I didn't do it. And then I mailed her a card and forgot to put a sticker in it. So I still have that idea for happy mail kits, like where I could put a sticker and my business card that has all my Instagram and YouTube and my blog and everything on it. But I thought that was ironic that I sent something to Pamela and forgot to do it. And tidying. How you guys doing as far as holding up and spirits and all of that? I'm busy, but I think I'm still going. But man, I'm getting bored of this. But I've gotten to some of those trouble areas in my house where things were just a bad idea. I'll try and show you this, and then maybe I can put in a clip of before, you know, updates videos. You never know where they're going. So this cupboard was a hot mess. I mean, to the point where stuff was falling out of it when I opened it. And I took it apart and organized it. The other thing I was trying to do is I don't have a million iris cases. For those of you who are newer at paper crafting, we call them iris cases because that's the brand. That's who made them. They sell them at Costco, Target, Michael's. Well, I don't know Target for sure anymore, but They hold 12 by 12 paper. Some of the cheaper ones barely hold 12 by 12 paper, but the good ones, you can take a big tall sticker collection like this that isn't trimmed and put it in there too. But I don't have very many of these boxes, and I'm embarrassed to tell you, but I'll admit, last year, my holiday and winter was in one iris case. This year, holiday, winter, Christmas, fall, it was in 3. I mean, I think I only have 7 or something, so I didn't want 3 of them sitting in there all year. Plus, I have different quality, like, well, not maybe quality, but age. This one is one of my older ones, and you can see right here, the handle's cracked. This one's not too bad, but I have some that when you go to open it, you have to be careful because it's sharp on your hand. Then I have nicer ones where there's a tab on each side. I think the ones from Tuesday morning are like that. And they're easier to open and they're not broken. Don't use your nicest containers to store in. And that's what I was doing. My Christmas stuff was in one of those and I wanted it back. I mixed all that stuff up, recovered one of those, and now when you open the cupboard, stuff doesn't fall out. I had been really putting that off, and I had a Cartabella collection right in the front of this cupboard up on end. You'll see it if I insert the picture. There's no way it would have made it. I mean, in another month, it would have been beat up and bent corners, and I would have been heartbroken. And I take my Cartabella pretty seriously. So if you have trouble spots like that and you've been putting them off, tidy them up. Just do it. The linen closet stuff kept jumping out of there too, and I finally said, I'm going to fix it. I know, you tidy people are like, what? It's not always like that? No, it's not always like that. Oh, I do have these for Smash That Small Paper Pad too. I'm getting oddly organized. It's like, who am I? It's so weird. Let's see. Today, I'm hoping to work on No Paper Left Behind. I think we're going to watch Gone in 60 Seconds. Like the one that's, aren't there 2 versions? But the one that's only like a decade old, probably, well, might be older than that now, with what's his name in it, with this kind of skinny face. You know who I'm talking about? Some people don't like him. I like him fine. And so Gone in 60 Seconds, maybe. Work on No Paper Left Behind. I have upgraded Wi-Fi in my house because we were really having some troubles in real life and watching YouTube. Hello. So if I haven't been watching your videos, I think I'm back in the game now. But in that, I need more plugins. My craft room, you've seen it. You guys know. I rock the paneling in here. Well, the thing about 60s houses is they don't think you need a lot of plugins. So there's a plug-in right down there that I use for this lamp, classy, huh? And that sewing machine. Well, then that white thing showed up, and I'm pretty sure if I unplug that, I don't get internet. So when I go to sew, I have to decide, do I want light or do I want to keep watching YouTube? These are not things I can deal with. So I'm hoping that somewhere in here, there's another plug-in. But sometimes in a 60s house, there's only one per wall. So I don't know. We'll see. That is on the list today too. I love weekends. I just get so excited. I know we don't leave our houses. That's what my husband thinks is funny. But I hope that you really enjoy your weekend. Have a great day. Hope you learned something about dahlias. Oh, if you want to know about Swan Island dahlias, which is not far from my house, and I don't think I've ever been there. My friends are going to see this and be like, what? Yeah, never been there. Dahlias.com. There you go. They're gorgeous, aren't they? We are very fortunate in the Willamette Valley to have all sorts of different growers near us. We have tulip festivals, and we have dahlias, and we have irises, and it's very pretty here. It's very pretty. You have to take your allergy medicine, but it's really pretty. I think that's about it. I've been tidying up. Oh my gosh. If you did not see this, which we are now calling a pocket book, not a pocket letter. Thank you to my fabulous people who figured that out. If you do not see this, go back and watch my video from yesterday because Crystal from Cruising with Crystal knocked it out of the park. And look, isn't this cute, you guys? Have my little counter set up right there. Oh, look, I'm still hoarding this dog. Brandy, you see that? That has been there quite a while. But look, is that not adorable? It's like I decorated, except you guys did all the work. Have a fabulous, fabulous weekend. Make it great. Sure, you maybe aren't going to go all the places that you thought you were going to go. And I know some states are opening up, and I'm super excited for you. My state is talking about opening up, but my county probably won't get the green light. We're kind of rejects. I don't know what's wrong with us. So just have a fabulous weekend. Do something around your house. Do a jigsaw puzzle. Watch an old movie. I don't know. Clean out your linen closet if it makes you happy. Go and sort. This is what I did. Sort your closet, right? We've switched seasons, at least here, that we've been in this so long. So I put away my sweaters. I found some capris and I changed my closet. I don't know if I told you, my COVID clothes are in the front. Sweats, sweatshirts, basic t-shirts, all the going out in the world clothes, I just pushed them all to the back. It was pointless. Have a fabulous, fabulous day and be sure you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.